And what up, though? Thank y'all for tuning in to Cooking with Ace. I'm Ace, as we know. Today we're gonna be doing something, show y'all how to make chicken lollipops. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all how to drink too. One more for good luck. And I didn't put my pinky in there. Like I said, we're gonna be making chicken lollipops today. So, let me get my handy dandy scissors, because you're gonna need some scissors. You're gonna need 2 different knives, maybe, depending on how strong you are, stuff like that. Make sure all your stuff is clean. My hands are washed, chicken has been clean. So what we're gonna do to make these chicken lollipops, you need a drumstick. Once you get a drumstick, what I like to do is find where the meat and the bone is. You might have to flip it around a little bit because you're gonna need this to stand up. So once you get it on there, you find that bone, just wanna kinda give it a little chop. There we go. You might have to sacrifice a little bit of the meat, and that's okay, because it's gonna make sense at the end. Now, to do your chicken lollipops, it's my kids, you sit y'all tails down, sit your ace down, sit your ace down. Just waiting on them to sit down. The only time they want to be over here. Y'all come speak to the people.
Hi.
Tell them your name.
I'm Riley, and I love animals.
Riley loves animals.
Hi, my name's Kennedy, and I love gymnastics.
All right. Now that y'all done met each other. All right. So what you want to do is where the bone is and where the meat ends, that's where you want to start cutting. Okay? So you're going to want to cut all the way around. If you start getting it cut, this is where your scissors come in handy, because there's like little tendons in there. You want to make sure that all that's cut off of there. It's really simple. It's fun. It just looks really nice, that's all. Like, there's no other real purpose to the chicken lollipops. And once you start getting it where you can see, take your knife, cut a little more, get your smaller knife, and cut through there, all the way to the bone. Like I said, get those tendons off of there and everything like that. Once you get that done, you should be proud of yourself. So you want to take you a drink. Now, it's best if you use a napkin. You want to hold the top. You're going to take your hand. It's real simple. You're just going to push down. That's all you're doing. Pushing down as you're pulling up. Because we're going to get all of that up out of there. To get all that pushed down, now you can see you got the little bit of extra and stuff that's in there. I'm not a fan of scissors. Ask my wife, whenever she wants me to help her take her hair down and stuff, I always go for the knife. She goes, use the scissors. I'm like, I'm good, love. Sit back and enjoy. Good, there it is. Nice pull down. And there you have it. Let me back it up so you can see. Ta-da! Bam! That's your chicken lollipop. Oh, shout out to Mo with Mo Spices. Man, I'm gonna do another part where I season them and stuff like that. I'm telling you now, if If y'all ain't been on that Moe's, you missing out on life. But back to the regular scheduled program. If you're wondering why I didn't use regular cooking scissors, because got a lot of kids, like 6 of them, and somehow all of my scissors have came up missing and stuff like that. So I had to go get a new pair, and just use those for cooking, because when you ask these kids what happened to them, no one knows anything. Y'all know where my scissors are?
Probably in the drawers.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Last time I saw them, they were in that little thing.
In the
Where
drawer?
the knives are.
Yeah, definitely not there. That's how it goes. Nobody knows anything. That's it. Just gonna take it. As you're pushing down, get this out the way. Just kind of push down a little bit. There it is. That's better. Push down. Use your napkin.
Are you gonna cook it?
You
gonna cook it?
Yeah. So you gonna eat it raw?
No.
This is the part that gets a little difficult. Sitting there trying to pull this off. But it's okay, because really, I'm tripping. Look, take that knife, start chopping away at it. Huh? Look at that. Boom. Probably the better way. Get it all off. Got all that pushed down. You come through with your knife or scissors. Kind of, get it all the way. All nice and pushed down. Boom. It's like science. Magic. Like that. You're all good to go. So I'm gonna chop up the rest of these, and yeah, I'll be back, and we can work on seasoning them and things of that nature, right? All right, I'm back. So we got all the chickens done into lollipops. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this foil right here. And you don't have to do this unless, like, if it's a competition or something like that, or you just want it to look real good, then that's what it's for. But what you're gonna do is just take a piece of foil, and you're gonna take your chicken lollipops, and you're just pretty much gonna wrap it. Like, you don't have to if you don't care about how it looks and stuff like that. But what I will say is, if you're gonna use this as like a competition piece or something to, you know, blow your competition out the water, then yeah, most definitely wrap it. Boom, like magic again. After I get all of these wrapped, then I'm gonna have my lovely chocolate sous chef assistants. They're gonna help me. Y'all can't see them, but they start posing. Come on. Okay, now that we got them all wrapped in foil, I got my sous chefs over here. They're about to help season this. Again, only seasons I'm using is Cajun Grill. This is, first of all, like I said, shout out to them, to Mo Cajun Spice. If you're on social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, you need to go follow him at Mo Cajun Spice. If you're not on social media, you can go to mocajunspice.com. I'll try to add it here, or there it is in the description. That's my YouTuber guru. So I'm gonna be using which one is this? This is the Cajun Grill, which is one of my favorite, but one of my new favorites that I've really been digging is this Moe's barbecue. Ooh. You see, look, we puts in work because at Culture Catering, we believe in black business, so they're black owned and it's good. Might as well go ahead and get it. So this is what we're gonna be seasoning with. I'm gonna kind of mix the seasonings together so that, you know, they can just sprinkle it on there and stuff like that. But yeah, like I said, shout out to Mo Cajun Spice. And like I said, they're on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter under that. And if you're not on social media and you just want to go buy something, go check them out, man. Support black business, MoCajunSpice.com. I'm going to put it in my, what's it called? My description. And have a drink. That's a Crown and Dr. Pepper. Yeah, you definitely not offering you guys any. And we're gonna put some secret sauce on here, and then we're gonna season them. Then I'm gonna take them and put them on the grill. Yeah. I'm gonna let y'all see what they look like. There it is.
Bye.
So, since they're gonna help season, what I like to do is use what me and my brother Baby C, aka Uncle Big Mac, we call it that sauce. I'm gonna put the sauce on there first, and then I'm gonna let my little sous chefs go to work. I'm gonna go put on another shirt, baby. She's changing clothes. I told her, look, I appreciate the viewers that I have, like all 600 or 700 of y'all. I think I'm at 700 now. I appreciate all y'all. But I told her, this does not need to turn into a fashion show. It really doesn't. But, you know, hey, I'm going to let her be great. Basically, what's going to happen, because the video's just going to switch, I'm just going to tell you anyway. I'm going to place the chicken in here. And then the girls are going to come over and they're going to do their thing.
Magic.
And I'm going to hold the camera and take a drink of my tasty alcoholic beverage. It's gonna be so good. And then I'll put it on the grill and it'll grill up, and then that'll be the end. Yep. And I'll tell you, like, subscribe, share, phone a friend, all that good stuff. Yeah. Go for the seasoning, my little sous chefs.
Just gonna get some seasoning here. Gonna get a little drizzle across it.
Getting a little drizzle.
No. Gotta do a little thing here. Drizzle.
Right, you can add a little more seasoning.
I know I can add a little more seasoning. I just don't want to be too seasoned. People will be judging. Okay, I think that's good. Mine is definitely seasoned. Down to the next one. Not been seasoned at all.
Do like Ken's doing, baby.
Oh.
There we go.
Had a little delay there.
A little quick delay, but it's all right. We getting there.
We getting there. Gotta get that seasoning. And for all the people who think they cook better than my dad, y'all can just quit.
Damn!
Ooh. Burn! Tried to told you. Ken, you all right over there?
Literally can get a whole
You all right?
Y'all can get a whole new job. My dad's cooking is the best. Trust me.
I ain't even have to pay her to say that.
Second best. I've seen things.
Who's a better chef than me?
Jesus.
I can't even fight that one. But I'll beat him in a cook-off too. Ooh. That's how good I am.
Oh no. Never mind.
Hey, let's see. That's a professional seasoner right there.
What is you doing, baby?
What is you doing? You got to get some seasoning on that thing.
You don't want it to be too plain.
Yeah, we don't do plain around here, Jack.
I am a woman.
Look, see? Man, Man, you about to be fired.
Look.
Oh, let me show him. Ooh.
You need to see them too.
You can't see this.
You spoke too soon. You spoke too soon. You spoke too soon.
Well, let's just fix them
You
other
need to
ones.
season them until you can't see that. That right there.
All right, well, just go and get from the seasoning them.
It's a nightmare. I'm just gonna season over that.
Well, that's how you get good. You got to keep at it.
Good job. Keep going and going. Don't stop.
These are gonna be delicious.
Yes, they are.
You bet. If we have guests today,
We ain't have no guests. This for y'all to eat for dinner.
oh, even better.
All right, y'all done?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. Well, got my grill preheated. Nice and fired up. Now it's time to put these things on the grill. But look, people. Sometimes they stand, sometimes they don't. They'll lean over. Nothing wrong with a little lean. You just kind of, you know, let them help each other. Just kind of put them on there. The grill hot. It's hot to the point where, look, if this thing want to lean over, I'm just going to let it lean. Y'all a little check in. About 325. Sizzling just right. And I'm tipped over, you know what I mean? No biggie. Yeah. It's gonna be good. All right, here you go. Finished product. There it is. There it is. Yep. Again, you make them how you like them. In my house, we like our chicken a little extra crispy because it just tastes better that way. We like the crunch. I've already unwrapped them, so you can kind of see. Yeah, there it is.